So here's what we have going. We have 14 images here. And for those 14 images are slides 0 through 13 right here, and they're JPEG files. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using JS instead of listing them all out here as images. We are going to be using JS to program this. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to come out here and we're going to link to script source. We are going to be linking to gallery 10.1.js. And we'll set this to defer. And I think we're done with that particular file. Why don't we go live with this? And paste that up there. And then head on out to our JS here. Okay, so right after your captions here, the captions, this is going from 0 to 13. So we're going to set up a loop to go through these here. And those captions we're going to assign to every one of those pictures. Okay, so let's declare our variable over here. Make sure it has nothing for right now. For the loop here, if there's anything that you're going to learn through this course, and then the next one is our for loops. So for something like this, just set up for, just drop in 2 semicolons because that's just what we're going to be doing. You declare the variable here. I equals 0. I is less than 14. If it's less than 14, then increment. And this is where it opens up here. This HTML code, this is going to be injecting HTML code into here. So let's set up HTML code. First one is we're going to do the figure. Okay, remember the figure tag in our previous labs there? The next one here, why don't we just do a copy down, make it a little bit easier for us there. Okay, so we already know we're going to have some of this here. So let's build this out. This is the actual image embedding. So remember image there. We'll set the alt text here. Okay, this is a single quote. Okay, so those are 2 single quotes that are right there. Source is going to equal, okay, we got a single quote there. It's slide. Now what that means is that this whole string here is going to be that first part. The single quotes are they're the actual quotes that are going to be inside the HTML here. After slide, we're going to have to include here the variable. We got I, that's right there, and it's going to loop through all of these here. Then we're going to tag on at the end. We're going to tag on .jpeg. Single quote closes that out. Okay, then auto close that tag. So cool. So that's what it looks like for the image here. Okay, let's just copy that down. Okay, right now we're going to do the fig caption. So the fig captions are all of these here in the array. So we got fig caption there. Then we're going to tag on there captions I plus, and then we have to close this out, fig caption. We also need now, we can take this one right here, and because we have to close this out right now. All right, so since we have this saved right here, we actually have to write it now. We have to do this. So using the DOM here, we'll do document, get element by ID. Get element by ID. This is going to be gallery. And inner HTML equals HTML code. That whole HTML code that we've been doing right up here. And save that, and hey, there are our images now, along with the captions too. Hopefully you had a good time with that. I certainly enjoyed putting that together for you. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next.